Hello friends, charity is the best thing that we can do in our social life. Charity is always appreciable, and there are charity organizations all over the world for these activities. The charity organizations like charitable trust and the related activities, services are really appreciable, and they work through the donations. And if they are having a wonderful website, the donation and the rest of activity can be showcased on the web very precisely. So if you are in plan for making a website for charity organization, that is for a charity foundation or charitable trust or the donation activities web, this video is exactly for you. These are 3 pre-made websites that is made with a very wonderful WordPress theme called Chariti, and these 3 websites has been specifically made for the charity and the fundraising activities. So these are 3 demos. I am going to add the link of my website where you can get rest of the details. So donate function and volunteer function is available in all these websites, and you can get rest of the details by following the link given in the description of this video, that is of WP Themes website. And I welcome you to the WP Themes channel, which brings all the great WordPress theme for you and plugin and utility that tells and enhance the creativity of your website and features of your website. So in this video we are going to make a website using Chariti WordPress theme, and Chariti WordPress theme is specifically made for the charity and donation websites. This is charity and charity donation WordPress. Okay, so this theme has been developed by the Good Layers. Good Layer is itself a very big name in the WordPress theme development, and I have no words to appreciate the work done by the Good Layers and its team, and they are of course Power Elite authors. This charity theme has been developed by Good Layers, and it was developed in 2020, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. This theme is compatible with Events Calendar, WooCommerce 4x, I mean the latest version of WooCommerce, and WordPress version 5.8x, that is also the latest version. PHP files, CSS files and JS files has been included in the theme pack, and it is compatible to the all latest browsers of internet. So it has perfect design for donation website, membership with user dashboard, donation history, PayPal, credit card and all such options. And since it has been developed by a very expert and experienced developing house, it has all the features that you require for the charity or related activities. You have unlimited options at this theme, and yes, it has membership system as well, admin, transaction backend and GDPR tool, color pickers has been included, and high quality of demo website is already there. So a Good Layer page builder is always appreciable. So this theme has its own page builder and customizable header styles and all such things are here. So all features are for you, and you can make a wonderful charity and donation website using the Chariti WordPress theme, and we are going to create the same in this video. We will also import the demo content, preview the theme options and all the customization options in this video only. and I have a fresh installation of WordPress for this, which is running 2021 default WordPress theme and the latest version of WordPress, that is WordPress 5.8.1. and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have the main theme file and the online docs text file that is having the documentation link. Okay, so we shall be using the charity.zip file for this installation process, and let us begin the installation without any further delay. And I must request, if you are coming on this channel very first time, you may please subscribe this channel, because I am going to bring wonderful themes, utilities and plugin for your WordPress website that makes your website successful, and in every manner I am trying to bring the best of utilities for your websites. So keep watching. So subscriptions, your subscriptions help me, and also ring the bell, hit on the bell button, so that you may get the latest videos from WP themes. Okay, so let us begin the installation. We have to go in the themes section of WordPress, that is laying under the appearance section, and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose charity.zip file. You can upload the theme in another way, directly to the WP content themes folder. If you are having direct access to your file manager, on hosting control panel, so you can use this option as well. I am using the same. I wish to show you the theme file size, in fact, because the theme file size is really very small. It is a lightweight theme. This is just having 7.71 MB in size. It is really a well optimized, well coded, well documented WordPress theme. So I have seen the backend as well, and as you can see, it got uploaded in just few seconds. Once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this charity folder, in which we got all the theme components, folders and files. Now we can delete the zip one. We have already extracted it, and it is just consuming the server space. So both the activities of uploading the theme are same. Don't get confused. Either you can use this WordPress interface for uploading the theme, or you can directly upload the theme to WP content themes folder. Both activities are same. Don't repeat the process. You have to choose only one. Now since we have uploaded and extracted the theme, we can go back to the themes section, and now we have charity as another theme option along with the default theme. This is charity donation WP theme. Let us check the details. This is charity version 1.2.1, and it is by Good Layers charity WordPress theme, and now we can activate it. Upon activation, we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to use the complete features of this theme, and it is saying please register your website. So if you need to have the proper license key, you must have that. I must tell you, you must have the proper license key, and that can be obtained from the theme forest. Once you purchase the theme from the theme forest, you can get the purchase code as well in the theme pack, and you can get the theme by following the link given in the description of this video. Just click on the buy button link, that will navigate you to the proper place where you can buy this theme along with the registration key, and that is the license key or purchase code, whatever you may say. So we will try to install without the key. This is just a demo installation. So let us begin installing the plugins. Okay, So these are the list of plugins that has been given with the theme as of now. So Fundraise Master is here. So I'm simply installing all these plugins in one go, and I'm skipping the invite to market. In fact, it is not required, and choosing to install all 3 plugins in one go. Let us see how it goes, whether we are able to install the theme without the registration or not. I'm just clicking on it. I'm also not sure. Okay, so we have installed the given plugins, and now getting a start and import again is saying the please register. This is not registered, and registered now is asking for purchase code, of course, so that we need to put first, and some guidelines. System status has been given. So okay, everything is fine here, and get automatic updates, support, registration. Okay, to complete the recording of this installation process, I just inserted the license key that I was having, and you can take the same license key by following the link given in the description of this video, and by clicking the buy button link that will navigate you to the theme forest. And yes, so let us begin the installation of rest of plugins that has been recommended, and let us check what plugins are required. So some plugins are required and rest are recommended. 3 plugins that are required are Good Layers Core, Good Layers Core Personnel, and Good Layers Core Portfolio, Envato Market, and Good Layers Core Twitter Newsletter, Revolution Slider, and the Events Calendar. So let us begin the installation of required plugin. So I am choosing to install all the plugins in one go, and you may install plugin one by one if you are not confident about your server capacity. So I have chosen to install all plugins except the Envato Market, that is not required, and that all plugins, that 7 plugins, selected plugins, can be installed in one go in my installation. So if you are ordering the theme in a pre-installed manner at WP Themes website, you shall be getting the same capacity server as you are watching on the screen, and as you can see, all the plugins got installed in just few seconds. So this is the beauty of hosting plan provided at the WP Themes website. And yes, now we need to activate all the installed plugins. So I am choosing to activate all the plugins in one go, and okay, so selecting activate and clicking on apply. Okay, so now all the installed plugins has been activated successfully, and now we can go back to the dashboard, and there is something event calendars is asking for some activity. Okay, so we are fine, and everything is installed along with the theme, and all plugins have been installed. Now we can take a simple look of our website, how it looks with the plugin and the theme itself. Yes, this is the basic look of Chariti WordPress theme, and yes, it is of course without any demo content, and it is core look. And if you are willing to make your own design using your own wireframe and design structure, you can start building your website scratch from here, and you shall be getting all the facilities of theme and associated plugins from this point of stage. And however, WordPress is well known for the pre-made websites, and it is convenient to have a pre-made website for your website projects. Like any of these, you can target any of these websites. So we shall install the demo content to make website like any of these. So for this we have to import the demo content, and now it is time to import the demo website. I will show you each and everything what we got in this installation once the demo content installed, and I'll also show you the theme panel and also things. So first we need to import the demo, and the demo import option I believe is laying under good layers tab, and getting a start and import option is here. So let us click on this. Okay, so this is the importing demo, and some videos has been given for your help, and yes, you can watch this video. However, this video which you are currently watching on, that is of WP themes video, is sufficient for you for installation process. And now we can click on import demo. So Chariti demo 1 and Chariti demo 2 and 3, all three are available for importing the demo, and you can choose any as per your choice and requirement. So this is demo 3 and this is demo 1 and this is demo 2. So I believe demo 2 is good for me, so I am choosing to install demo 2, and you can choose any as per your choice. So I am choosing demo 2, and these are the options which you may choose to bring with the demo content. And yes, so this is another information, important information, that you should importing the main demo PHP if you are importing the main demo. So we should import the main demo first. That is demo 1. I am not selecting demo 2 now. So this is a main demo, so I am considering to import this one only. So PHP max input values and at least 4000. So you have to make at least PHP execution time 300 and the memory limit 512 MB. So you can change all these things at your PHP INI setting, and I have another video on this channel how to do these settings. This all should be adequate and proper before you go for importing the demo content. So just keep in mind, without setting all this to the required level, don't go for import. Your import will not go through. So this is very important. And yes, so import setting is here, so you can choose what you need to import, and by default all have been selected. Since we are making a new website and a demo website, so we need to import all the contents. And now we have a start demo button here, so simply click on this. And are you sure? Yes, I am sure. So importing demo content has begun, and now we have to wait for a few minutes, and screen is saying it may take up to 7 to 8 minutes, and the screen is showing the progress percentage as well. So we have to be here on this screen without hitting the back button or refreshing the page. If you really want to have a wonderful website, your due patience is required on this screen, and you need to wait until the demo content gets complete. So the wait is only one option that we can do at this stage. Let us wait. And if you feel it is stuck at some percentage and what is going behind this percentage, you can open the media files media section in another tab. And because first of all, media content gets imported, and that depends on your internet speed and the connection with the developer server and also things. So we can keep checking what actually is being imported. However, it is showing now 13%, it is increasing, so nothing is stuck. Meanwhile, we can check the import, what import is bringing. So we can check that all media contents is being imported, and as of now 88 media items has been imported, and I believe it is importing more. So just open the media section, and you can keep checking it is increasing or not. So if it is increasing, your import process is going well, and just you need to wait for completing the import process. So I just refreshed it. It was 88 as of now, and let us check the number now. It is taking time because it is already importing the files, and now the number is 112. So it is definitely increasing, so we have to wait. And let us see the percentage here. It is now on 26%, so we have to wait until it goes to 100%. And now it reached to 94%, and now we can recheck the number of media items. It was 112 at a time, and I'm just refreshing the page. It is good that we are getting all the media items. Media files is originally being provided in the demo content, and fonts, you can see the fonts, and yes, the number has been increased in a considerable manner. It is 233 now, and the font has also been supplied. Okay, so it is now at 94%, and we have to wait further. Okay, and finally we read on this screen which is saying Charity demo 1 demo successfully imported, and yes, it is very pleasant screen. And now so system status is already here. Now we can take another look of our website, and I'll show you rest of things once we okay, so revolution slider has not been. Okay, so this is being the website, and slide not found, create slider revolution. So slider has not been provided in the demo content. This is missing, and let us check the rest of part. So website is here, and the complete website is here except the sliders. So okay, so it is good that we got the complete website here. And please create the slider revolution, then choose slider ID, and okay, there is something here, and you want to say please watch this video, and from edit this page and select proper slide from slider. Okay, so let us check if there is any slider is available in the demo content, and I'll definitely. So slider revolution is here, and however slider revolution has been provided in the demo, but no slider item has been given in the demo content, and it is saying that you have to make your own slider, and it is same as has been provided by the theme developer, so I cannot do anything. And in this regard we have to create our own slider. And yes, so slider can be created easily as the link has been given, so I'll make another video how to create slider. And yes, what we can do, we can use this image to create a slider. Okay, so since slider is not provided in the demo content, what I'll do, I will create a demo slider, and I want to keep it very simple. This is why register, unlock premium events, license fee. So I don't use to make sliders so frequently, so I also need to check. And modules. Okay, so I tried to have some demo slider, but all are paid, and we are going to make a charitable website, so I don't want to bring anything which is additionally paid. And so these sliders are available here, and we can choose if just in case. So nothing is hidden in my video, so you might be thinking why I am showing all these things, all these boring things in fact. So I'm doing nothing in the video as now. So I am having a ready-made slider with me for got from another theme. So I'm just importing that slider just to complete the video installation, that is installation of this theme. And I am going to slider1.jpg. this is being the image that I have downloaded for this, and home one slider is here, so I am having this from another. And yes, so home one slider is here, and what I can do, home one is here, and we can edit the image, and it is for another this is from another segment. And yes, so we can change the image. So what I'm going to do, so I will change the image, and image can be changed from here. So I'll try to make another video for how to make revolution slider, I mean slider using revolution slider. So I have this image, and making this, uploading this. So insert, yes, so it is here, and we can change the text as required. So I'm just demonstrating it. Optimize file size is required because it makes the big images, makes slides slower. Save changes, save. And yes, I have created home one slider for this installation. And yes, we can go back, and we have home one slider with us now with the same image that has been used in the demo. This image I have downloaded and used. So that is very simple, and I will also include the slider in the theme pack that you can opt in by the following the link given in the description. So slider that I am using, I'm going to add that in the theme pack itself. Okay, so that should not be a problem for you. And just in case if you want to use the paid slider, you can get it from the revolution slider website directly, and revolution slider is installed here. So just keep in mind, you don't need to buy the revolution slider, you just need to, just in case if you want any other slider, so you can buy that, and you can even make at your own. It is not so difficult, so you can have another video on the YouTube how to make slider at revolution slider, and that would be fine. So okay, so we are having this website, and it is still saying so slider is not here, and not, it is not like this. So we have already put a slider here. So image size is bit short, but yes, so theme is installed, and we can use bigger image. So I have just shown you how to do this activity. So now we have the complete website and what we do, and also things, all pages are here. So okay, so become a volunteer, donate, and volunteer is here. So we can use all these features, and become a volunteer page is here. So okay, it is all things has been provided in the demo content itself, only except slider. So you can make a slider at your own as I shown here, and we got a wonderful website in this activity, of course. So that is fine, and here is our complete website. And now it is time to show you the backend. So what we got in this installation, so let us see what extra is here. So good layers is of course is here. So good layer settings, that is theme panel, I will show you, and I am just checking the rest of things. Fundraise Master is here. It is important because it is finally a donation collection website that is made for the charitable trust. So this is the Fundraise Master, and it is laying under the general setting. It is navigating to general setting, I believe. But layers, okay, so it is different, I believe. Okay, layout and Fundraise Master is something different. So okay, I believe both are same, and no, so Fundraise Master is different thing. So it is for payment and payment setting, PayPal, and this is basically for the donation activities. So general setting, container width, and all such settings has been given. This is for donation activity, I repeat. And cause master, so you can create cause, payment page, offline payment, invoice settings. So all the donation related activities can be set here. And this is payment tab, and you can use the payment gateway. Stripe is already here, and you can add the PayPal and rest of payment gateway as well. Color you can control. This is for Fundraise Master, I am repeating again and again. And miscellaneous settings here. So we have seen the Fundraise Master, and transaction order is another thing which is additional. So it is of course for the maintaining the amount and what transaction has been made, payment date in total, and it is some sort of CRM activities. So for handling the website activities, so front end you can collect the donation and online paid and also things. So when you will explore all the features while making your website, how to use these features, so you can get it. And the documentation is already included in the theme pack, so you can go to the documentation, what is it for. And the next thing is only the and header is also here, so you can check. So header is not being used. Portfolio is additional thing, so portfolio has been used, and we can view how portfolio is being used. Okay, so portfolio you can use, and there are already portfolio pages are here. You can edit these pages with your own content, or you can create new portfolio as well. So personal or personnel is here. So yes, it is also being used at website. So this is about the volunteers, I believe. So you can use this, and you can of course add new as well. So cause is very important thing that is available in almost all the fundraising websites. So fund is always for cause, so this is being the main feature, and yes, this is being the cause, one of the cause screen is, and it is good, and it has all the information like thing. So you can create your own cause and even edit the existing cause with your own information and data. So these are the fields for putting the cause. Okay, so this is good layers page builder, and okay, these are the information you can simply edit by clicking on the pencil icon, and this is FAQ of course and also things. So it is just editing like a Word file, so it is not so difficult, and good layer page builder works very fine. I have seen in my previous experience. So you can add new cause and or edit the existing cause for putting your own data. Okay, so let us comments is here, events. Okay, so events is also additional thing, and these are the events, and we can see the events as well. Okay, and these are the event page, and you can of course add new events, or so event calendar and all such features has been given. So if you are using event section at your website, this can be helpful for you. And finally, we are going to preview the theme options, that is the good layer panel for setting the website. So this is being the theme panel, and now layout is here, body margin, item left, and all such settings are here. In the general setting, these are the options. Top bar is enable top bar full right padding, and top bar right text can be edited from here. Okay, good. Top bar social header, so you have choices for selecting the header, and yes, there are other settings also. I'm just giving you an overview, I'm not saying much about it. So logo can be changed from this screen. Navigation, so main navigation, fixed navigation, page style, title background, blog title style, blog style, blog social share, event, search, archive, commerce style, and portfolio style. So these are the setting. Typography you can always use for changing the fonts and all such things. So the typo related things can be changed, and the color control is also here. So you can change the complete color or skin name or whatever. So white is title. So color control is very broad, so you can change anything for customizing at your own, okay, in terms of color in fact. So miscellaneous is also here. Okay, so personal thumbnail and all such things are here. So these are the great controls, and this is good layers panel, and this is really very broad. So I believe I have shown you each and everything, and you can make a wonderful website for charitable organization using the Chariti WordPress theme. And yes, this is the outcome website which we got in this activity, and you might have certain questions regarding this theme, so you can ask in the comment section of this video, or you can get in touch directly with me by following the link given in the description of this video, and you can get this theme as well. So hosting is also available, so if you take any hosting, so you will get the pre-installed theme, and that does not have the sliders, just keep in mind. So I will try to add this slider which I have used in the theme pack itself. So okay, you have to make your own slider, just keep in mind. Rest things are fine. So okay, in the next video I'm coming with another great WordPress theme, or maybe plugin or utility. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.